Have you ever wondered why some women seem calmer, stronger, and more radiant in midlife, while others feel exhausted and lost? What if the difference isn't luck, but a way of moving that rewires how your body feels energy? Stay with me, because this is something most women have never been told. When I first heard the phrase Asian Pilates for menopause, something inside me stirred. It sounded mysterious, almost sacred, like a secret that belonged to women who had learned to age with grace. Why Asian? Why Pilates? And what could it possibly do for the chaos I felt inside? If you've noticed your energy crash without warning, your sleep fading, or moods shifting like waves, this might be exactly what you've been missing. Because this isn't a miracle cure, it's a quiet revolution, a way of moving that honors the woman you are becoming. Today, I want to take you on a journey, one that blends movement, mindfulness, and rediscovery. Together, we will explore how ancient Asian philosophy and modern Pilates flow can bring harmony to a time that often feels unpredictable. Here's the truth. Menopause isn't an ending, it's a transformation. It's your body's way of finding a new rhythm, one that no longer needs to prove anything. Yes, it brings discomfort, hot flashes, sleepless nights, and moments of doubt. But beneath that change lies renewal. Stay with me, because in the next minutes, you'll learn how gentle movement can calm those storms faster than you think. Asian Pilates is classical Pilates infused with Eastern wisdom, rooted in mindfulness, energy flow, and respect for natural cycles. It draws from yoga, Tai Chi, and Qigong. Instead of forcing your body, you listen. Instead of performance, you cultivate harmony. In Western Pilates, we train the muscles of the core, but in the East, the core means something deeper. The hara in Japanese, the dantian in Chinese, the home of your life force, your chi. When you move from that center, strength and softness merge. As hormones shift, so does energy. Some days you feel restless, others drained. Asian Pilates teaches that balance is alive. It moves, it breathes, it adapts. The goal is not perfect control, but graceful awareness. Pause and think. What if you stopped fighting your body and started listening to it? I begin every session by closing my eyes, one hand on my belly, one over my heart, breathing slowly. Warmth spreads, my shoulders drop, calm returns. Every inhale draws peace in, every exhale releases tension. This simple act tells the body, you are safe. When the body feels safe, hormones harmonize, cortisol drops, oxygen rises, energy flows again. Then I move, slow spine rolls, wrist circles, arms lifting as if gathering light. Each gesture intentional, not about power, but presence. Science agrees. Slow, mindful exercise stabilizes the nervous system, improves sleep, and balances temperature. It isn't magic, it's biology guided by awareness. Imagine if 10 minutes a day could reset your hormones and calm your mind. Would you try it? Menopause can make you feel betrayed by your body, as if it has become a stranger. Through Asian Pilates, I learned to see my body as a lifelong friend. Every breath and heartbeat tells my story, now entering its next beautiful chapter. In Asia, they call menopause second spring, a time when a woman's creative energy turns inward toward wisdom and intuition. It isn't decline, it's renewal. When I practice, I feel that renewal. Joints open, digestion eases, energy steadies, productivity loses urgency, peace replaces frustration. What if your body isn't breaking down, but breaking open into wisdom? There are 5 simple pillars to this practice. First, centering. Breathe and anchor awareness in the present moment. Second, flow. Move like water, smooth and continuous. Third, breath synchronization. Let inhalation expand, exhalation release. Fourth, mindful strength. Engage softly, respect today's capacity. Fifth, stillness. End in quiet gratitude. Let calm sink deep. Each mirrors life, effort, release, awareness, renewal. It becomes a conversation between body and spirit. The body whispers, "I'm tired." The spirit answers, "I hear you." Then both breathe again. Keep watching, because in a moment I'll show how this rhythm creates real hormonal balance. You don't need a studio, just a quiet space, a mat, 10 minutes. Even a chair will do. Each morning I open the curtains, stand barefoot, inhale lifting my arms, exhale lowering them. I repeat 3 times, slower each round. Then I flow through spinal waves and finish in gratitude. Soon, things change. Hot flashes ease, sleep deepens, the body feels lighter, not from weight loss, but from peace. Asian teachings say health is not the absence of pain, but the presence of flow. When qi moves freely, balance returns. Western medicine often treats menopause as something broken. Eastern wisdom calls it transformation. Asian Pilates unites both, structure with softness, logic with soul. Within days you may feel calmer. Within weeks your energy lifts. Over time, stability becomes natural. This isn't a race, it's a homecoming. Approach every session with curiosity, not judgment. If your body feels stiff, move smaller. If it feels alive, expand freely. Asian Pilates grows with you. It is self-compassion in motion. Community matters too. When women share movement, healing amplifies. In Asia, women practice together, not to compete, but to connect. One woman's breath supports another's. Add nourishing food, rest, and warm tea, and your rhythm aligns with nature. Menopause stops being a storm and becomes a season. Frustration will visit. Let it. Return to the mat. Healing moves in circles, not straight lines. Presence, not perfection, is the goal. Over time, this becomes a philosophy of living with awareness, listening more, forcing less, honoring softness as strength. Start gently, 3 movements a day, maybe spinal rolls, side stretches, or seated breathing. Let peace be your progress. If you already do Pilates, bring in the Asian principles. Slow breath, move from your center, feel energy more than effort. The feminine body thrives on fluidity. You are not broken. Menopause is evolution. Spring always follows winter. You've nurtured others, now nurture yourself. Menopause teaches patience and surrender. Strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers. Take a slow breath with me. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth, releasing weight you never needed to carry. Whisper, "I am changing, and I am whole." That is Asian Pilates for menopause, where movement meets mindfulness, strength meets serenity, east meets west. Each breath reawakens wisdom already inside you. You don't control the tides, you learn to float. Inside every woman lives unshakable resilience. The fire may change form, but it never dies. Imagine discovering strength that feels like peace. That's the secret of this practice. If this message touched your heart, if you felt your breath slow or your shoulders soften, then this is your moment. Join me at the Midlife Balance Institute, where women rediscover harmony through movement, mindset, and science. Click like if your heart whispered yes. Subscribe if you're ready to step into your second spring with confidence. Every week we share simple rituals to strengthen your body, steady your mind, and celebrate the beauty of midlife. Because balance isn't just a pose, it's a way of life, and it starts right here, with you. Take one more deep breath. Feel your power return. You are not fading, you are blooming.